Hi, it's Nancy Gaberti, and I'm here today to show you how quick and easy it is to make risotto. First, you boil the water. I actually use Poland Springs water, and I use glass pots. And then I add my Banza risotto, which is made from chickpeas. And this is really quick. All you do now is you stir it, and it's gluten-free, so you really don't need to keep it in the water long. And you let it sit for 3 minutes. Just turn off the heat and let it cook in the boiling water for a few more minutes. You see now I turned off the heat and it is still cooking in the boiled water. Keep it in for another 2 to 3 minutes and then strain it. Okay, the next step is you take a cup of this Daya cheese, and I use the mozzarella shredded one, and I take 2/3 of unsweetened almond milk. You could use coconut milk, and then you just stir it until it gets to the creamy consistency that you want. And if you want to add more cheese, which I am going to do, you can. So I'm going to put 2 cups of cheese, but I don't need any more milk. And then you stir it till it's all blended, and you'll have the amazing risotto.